In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your emails using Flodesk. Now, whether you're a small business owner or just someone who loves to spice up email communications, this tutorial will be perfect for you. First things first, you'll need to go to Flodesk's website and log into your account. If you haven't used Flodesk before, don't worry, it's incredibly user-friendly. Once you're logged in, let's get started by creating a new email. You'll find the option to begin this process right from your dashboard. Simply click on the plus new email button to get started. At this point, you'll have a choice to make. Do you want to use one of Flodesk's beautiful pre-made templates, or would you prefer to start from scratch? If you're pressed for time or desire a quick polished look, templates are a fantastic option. They're not just visually appealing but also provide an excellent starting point. However, if you're someone who prefers to have complete control and personalization over your layout and design, you might want to consider the start from scratch route. Now let's dive into customizing the email layout. This step involves using Flodesk's intuitive drag and drop editor. The editor is your playground where you can add or remove various elements such as text blocks, image blocks, buttons, dividers, and even social links. Moving these blocks around is as easy as dragging them to the desired location with your mouse, giving you full creative freedom over your email's appearance. Once you've arranged your layout just right, it's time to edit the text and fonts. Click on any text block to start editing the content. In addition to customizing the text, don't forget to add your unique brand touches. Click on an image block to upload your own branded images, logos, product photos, or lifestyle images. If you're ever in need of a quick image, Flodesk also offers a handy stock image library. When customizing your email, applying your brand colors is an important step. Simply click into a block and use the color picker to set your background and text colors. This ensures your email will resonate with your brand's identity. Next, let's take a look at customizing buttons. Click on any button block to set the button text, choose a suitable font style and size, and further customize with button color and hover effects. Don't forget to set the link destination, whether it's a product page, calendar, or landing page, wherever you need your audience to go. With your email fully customized, it's vital to preview your work and perform a quick test to ensure everything looks as you intended across various devices. Finally, decide whether you'd like to send your email immediately or schedule it for a later time. And there you have it, your email is customized and ready to impress. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing with Flodesk.